Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a day in the life for me. I basically kind of recorded my entire day. Stay-at-home mom, quarantined, homeschooling. Oh, the homeschooling. Just all the things that come up during the day. So I woke up to my son telling me that he had peed on the couch. So yeah, that's nice. So I went ahead and sprayed some vinegar on the couch, and then I added some baking soda on top. I got him in the bath, and now I'm just getting some morning snuggles because she's just so cute and sweet in the morning. Oh. Here we are cleaning up the bathroom just a little bit. Gonna get my son out of the bath and get my daughter dressed and ready for the day. Alright, so it's breakfast time. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the kitchen area right here, put some pans back in the stove. Let me know if anybody else stores pans inside the oven, or is that just me? I'm just curious. But make some coffee, make some breakfast, and get the kids ready to start their day. Here, I'm just making some chorizo and egg tacos. You can't ever go wrong with chorizo and egg tacos for breakfast, and they were delicious. So here after breakfast, I just go ahead and clean up the table a little bit so we can go ahead and start our homeschool. My printer is not working, so I handwrite all their little to-dos and worksheets and stuff in their little composition notebooks. And I give the baby a piece of paper and a colored pencil to try to keep her occupied. She is absolutely not allowed to have crayons because she tries to eat them. So colored pencils it is for her. But just to try to keep her occupied, I'll give her paper or a coloring book while the boys are doing school. My youngest son here, he's actually in Head Start. He's not even in pre-K or kindergarten yet. So he doesn't write. He can write his name or simple words, but he can't like answer a full question. So I usually have him draw pictures to answer the question, and then he tells me what he drew, or he explains to me verbally how he answered the question, and I go in and kind of handwrite it, quoting exactly what he said. What you got, Mama? Let me see. Ooh, you go, girl. Ooh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's so beautiful. So they are working on some art, or kind of independently drawing something that we were talking about. And so this gives me a little bit of time to go ahead and sweep up after breakfast and kind of just multitask just a little bit here, get the house a little bit in order. And then while they're finishing up some independent work. And here I'm actually teaching them War. So, you know, the classic card game War between two people. Pull card face up and the biggest number wins. So this is actually a really great game for the kids, especially if they're learning their numbers, learning place values. Then they can figure out who got the highest card and who gets to keep it. Which one's bigger?
5.
Yay! Look, there's a lizard on the back porch. It's jumping on the wood. Look, it's climbing up the wood.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the lizard.
There's a bird too. Let's go tell
Ooh,
Daddy.
look at the lizard. No.
Yeah.
Look at the lizard.
Wait, what if Daddy kills his dog?
smaller one than the one we saw the other day.
Where he blended right there.
Yep. Okay, y'all want to get back to your game?
Yeah. But I want to still see the lizard because I like it.
Come on.
Oh man, I didn't see him because I was not doing it. I took.
Okay, so those are yours. Put them on the side. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Which one's bigger, 9 or 10?
9. 9 is the bigger one.
No, what comes after 9?
10.
10. Okay, those are for Bubba. Good job. You're doing a nice job, Kenan.
But I have these two.
You're still got a chance to win. Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Ooh, which one's bigger?
5.
5. Good
I
job.
keep that one.
You get to keep that one.
You keep on using because that's what you said.
Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Which one's bigger?
8.
Yeah. What does it stand for?
11.
11.
But it's supposed to be E. E starts with 11.
Yeah. It does start with an E. Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Ooh. 9 and 6. Which one's bigger?
6.
No. Which one's bigger? 9. You can't. Look how many you won. You can't win them all.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't count them. Let's go. That's not what this is about. Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Who got more cards?
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 20. 13, 14, 15, 16. Don't count with
Let him do it.
17, 18, 19, 20, 30,
21,
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. He won.
You just counted to 28. High five. What? How many did you have?
24.
Woohoo! Yep. Y'all want to play again?
Yep, can I have a cookie?
You have a cookie. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There's no losers. Woohoo! Good job, guys. Let me have your cards so I can show you. 16. Okay. 17.
18, 19, 20,
Mm-hmm.
28,
21.
22, 23, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 2010,
30.
30.
It's not 2010. Then we go up to 30. Good job.
30,
1,
2,
32.
32,
What comes after 2?
33,
Mm-hmm.
34.
Good job.
34.
34. You counted to 34. How many did you get? Woo!
And I get a fruit snack.
Fruit snacks.
I won this game again.
No winner, no losers.
You learning, not winning. You learning.
Michael, why do you take your cards? Because we could play after school.
There's no losers, but you got the higher number.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Get to.
No losers.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Can we split this?
All right, so it is time for me to get back here and tackle this couch. So it's been sitting all morning there. And I'm just going to take my little vacuum and vacuum out the couch. I do get a little scrub brush to kind of agitate the fibers and be able to get more of that baking soda out. But I just go ahead and clean the couch, and while I'm cleaning one couch, might as well clean the other couch as well. So we go ahead and get the couches done today. What do you know? Voila. It is lunchtime. So this is quick and easy mommy win lunch, and it's pizza rolls. Yay! after lunch, I went ahead and headed into the boys' room, and it was fairly clean. They typically have to clean up their room once they're done playing in there before they go off and do something else. So I just helped my little one make his bed, and then it was time to tackle these drawers. So the way laundry works at our house is I do the laundry, I fold the laundry, and then I give them their basket, and they are to put up their own clothes. And so every so often I have to come in and reorganize their drawers because they'll get lazy with it and just put anything anywhere, especially the little one. He's still learning. So it was time to go through their drawers, put stuff where it's supposed to go, and then also take out a bunch of stuff that is the incorrect size. So that's what we're going to go ahead and tackle here. And this is when I realized that I skipped a whole entire drawer. So my younger son has 2 drawers and my older son has 3 drawers, and I completely forgot, and I was just giving them both 2 drawers, so he has a whole extra drawer. And we decided that that could be his hideaway spot when he has certain things that he doesn't want his brother to get to. That didn't last very long, guys, but yeah, so he has a whole extra drawer right now that's empty. So came inside and tried to give Little Miss a nap, and that just wasn't happening. Today was just one of those days where she was not napping. I tried her own bed. I tried my bed. I tried laying with her. And just when I think she would go down, or she was going to, she'd wake back up. So it was just one of those days. And we have days like that where she doesn't want to nap. So all right, so once we realized she's just really not gonna go to sleep, I went ahead and went into the kitchen to start dinner. So I'm gonna make some like beef tips over rice with these beef like rib strip things that I had. I forget what they're called, but anyways. So I'm putting them in my pressure cooker. And I just put them in there with some onion, some carrots, some seasoning. There's garlic powder and some pepper, and I forgot what else. Ooh, some carne asada seasoning, and I set the time for 45 minutes, but if I'm remembering correctly, some beef seasoning from ramen noodles. I let these cook for about 30 and then went ahead and released the pressure and took them out, cut them up, and then put them back in for like another 8 minutes. So that's what I ended up doing. Almost forgot the garlic, so I had to reopen it and put in some garlic there. But I think the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'll get back to the music. So if you can see there, when I went ahead and put it in for the additional 8 minutes, I had taken out the carrots. So in that bowl there, I had already taken out the carrots. They were soft enough. If I cooked them anymore, like they wouldn't have been that good. So they're soft enough. I went ahead and chopped up the meat and put it in for another 8 minutes. All right, so I'm just showing you here that I'm gonna steam some broccoli to go along with it. And here's the finished plate: beef tips over rice with some carrots and some broccoli. This is definitely a hit at our house. It's a regular. We all love this meal. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you've made it all the way to the end, if you can please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below with your favorite emoji, so that way I know you made it to the end. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.